In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Quora. Let's walk through it from the very first click to a polished ad that's ready to go live. Start by opening your browser and searching for Quora ads. From the results, click the official Quora advertising page so you land on the platform's ads portal. Once you're there, log into your Quora account. If you already use Quora, your existing login will work. After you're signed in, look for Ads Manager in the navigation and open it. This is your control center for everything campaigns, budgets, audiences, and creatives. Select New Campaign to begin. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can identify it at a glance later. Next, choose your campaign objective. Pick the one that best matches your primary goal, whether that's driving site visits, encouraging conversions, or building awareness, because the objective influences how your ads are delivered and optimized. Set your budget and schedule. Decide on a daily or lifetime budget, then choose your start date and, if you want, an end date. Start conservatively and scale as you see results. Now name your ad set. Use a naming convention that hints at audience, placement, or offer so your reporting stays organized. Specify the locations you want to include and exclude. You can focus on countries, regions, or cities where your audience actually is, and remove places that aren't relevant to your business. This is also where you decide who sees your ads using Quora's targeting options. With contextual targeting, your ads appear on specific questions or topics related to your niche. Behavioral targeting reaches people based on interests or keywords that reflect their past activity. Audience targeting lets you retarget recent website visitors or use a compliant customer list to re-engage known prospects. Add exclusions for questions, topics, or audiences that don't fit your offer so you avoid wasted spend. Choose your placement preferences to control where ads appear across Quora's surfaces or partner inventory. Then set your starting bid. Align it with your objective and competition level and plan to adjust as performance data comes in. Add an ad name and select your media type such as text or image. Under Creative, enter your business name, a concise headline, clear body text, a strong call to action, and a high-quality image that matches your message. Keep it benefit-driven and easy to scan. Add your landing page URL and, if you use tracking, include a tracker URL or parameters so you can measure results accurately. Finally, add your payment method, review every setting, and preview your ad. When everything looks right, you're ready to launch.